Now that we've got our template set up the way we like, we've got a font choice that we like, maybe we've changed a few colors of things, maybe we've put some boxes. Now we can go through and we can set up the Google Sheet with the information that we need. So up top here where it says topic, click in that cell and we're going to type out what our project's about. For this example project, I'm going to do my family ages. Maybe looked up net worth, maybe looked up stream downloads for video games, maybe looked up sports statistics, maybe looked up the speeds of animals or the age of dinosaurs. Whatever you researched, you want to type it in that top cell. Then we need to put in the information that we researched, that we found out. The information is going to be what you're looking at. So for my family's ages, I'm going to be looking at family names. Which person's age am I talking about? Then if you hit tab, it'll go to the next cell over. The data that I'm collecting or that I'm looking at is their ages. And then in parentheses, I'm going to put my units. So here I'm going to look at their ages in years. I'm not talking about weeks or months or days. I'm just taking a look at years. Some of you who are doing like money, maybe you're looking at money in millions of dollars and you want millions in parentheses. So you don't have to type out so many zeros. Maybe you're looking at millions of years of dinosaur ages and you want to put millions in parentheses. Maybe you're talking about billions of dollars worth of companies like Amazon and Google. That could go in those parentheses as well. Maybe speeds of animals, miles per hour. Whatever units you're looking at, put those in parentheses. Then you want to type out your information. So my family's names, I have my dad, I have my mom, my older brother Anthony, his wife Laura. They have 3 kids. They have Emerson, Kinley, and Connor. And we have my younger brother James, my husband Josh, and then me. Yay. Maybe I decide, I don't like that those are bold. So I can select just those few cells. To do that, you click on one, hold it down, and drag all the way through. That'll help you select more than one cell to do something to more than one cell, more than one box. Then I need to type in their ages. So my dad is 64, my mom is 59, my older brother is 32, so is his wife. They're actually born 2 days apart. My niece Emerson, her 6th birthday is on June 1st, so it's almost her birthday, so I'm going to give her 6. Her sister Kinley is 3. Their brother Connor is 3 months old, so he is 0.25 years old. My younger brother James is 28. My husband Josh is 32 as well. And then I am 30 years old. That's all you need to do for setting up your Google Sheet. Go ahead, rewatch this video if you need to, but put in those 10 pieces of information. Very important that you have 10. If you do not have 10 pieces of data, you will get some points off. So make sure you have 10. When you're ready, go ahead and go on to the next video where we start calculating the measures of center.